Hello, you're welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Real Tutors. I'll be taking you to a topic, area of square. For example, we have a question here. We have a question on a square, which is side of 7 centimeters. We are asked to find the perimeter and the area of the shape. Now, from the idea we have that all the sides of square are the same. What does that mean? It means if a side is 7 centimeters, this side also must be 7 centimeters. Why this side must be 7 centimeters and this side also 7 centimeters. Now, how do you calculate the area and the perimeter of the shape? First, perimeter. Perimeter is the addition of all the sides, and in this case we have 4 sides. That means that would be 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. That would be what? Or we can also do it this way. That's 7 centimeters into 4. That is 4 times 7 centimeters. That would be what? 28. 28 centimeters. So now, how do we go about the area of the shape? What is the formula to calculate the area of a square? That would be length times length, which is what? 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is what? 49 centimeter square. That will be the answer. Now, I'll be giving you a question, an exercise. Please drop your answer at the comment box. The question is, we have a square with 8 meters. One side of the square is 8 meters. You have to calculate, find the perimeter and the area of the shape. Thank you.